Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I want to jump into the $100 a day system and show you the foundational pieces and where I am in the process. Of course, I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner to the playlist so you can see everything and catch up if you haven't been following along. The idea here is to build a system that creates us $100 a day in online income focusing on affiliate marketing. As a quick reminder of what the $100 a day system is, there are people on the internet that we like to call your audience. These are the people that you're going to get over to your $100 a day system. Of course, this focus here is on YouTube, making videos, as well as creating a blog and doing blog posts to make up the complete $100 a day system to let your audience know about your products, your services, the solutions that help them solve their problems, and then get them over to where you earn affiliate commissions for buying the products that you recommend in your blog post and your YouTube videos. Of course, to get that all set up, you have to create your YouTube channel. You can see here inside of the YouTube Studio dashboard, my current channel analytics. Currently, I have 2,100 subscribers. That's 175 in the last 28 days. My views are going up, and you can also see the estimated revenue. If you were to go down and click on analytics, that would take you into analytics, and you can see here that I've set this for November. This is currently November 5th, so you can see the analytics from the 1st of November to the 4th of November here in 2021. You can see my views, watch time, hours, subscribers, and the estimated revenue. So $22.03 since getting my channel monetized and earning AdSense revenue. Of course, now when we're talking about foundations, we're moving over into setting up the website. Of course, the blog is powered by WordPress. This is inside my WordPress dashboard. And at this point, I'm moving into Google Analytics to start tracking and analyzing the data from the content that I'm going to produce for the blog. Again, remembering that there are people on the internet and that is your audience. They're searching for content and they're going to be doing that both on YouTube and on Google. That's why you're going to use the power of YouTube and the power of the content you're going to put on your blog to work together inside of your $100 a day system to allow those people on the internet or your audience to find your content both on YouTube and on your blog. And then, of course, get them over again to where you want them to be. And that's buying your products and or services that you're an affiliate for and you earning that affiliate commission. Here's one of the marketplaces that I use to sell products over on Publisher Report. Of course, you saw the AdSense revenue. Here you can see today's revenue, $60.17. If we come down to affiliate stats, hit more, you can see those stats for today. If we drop this down to this month, you can see the combined earnings as well as the products, the individual products here, well on my way to that $100 a day system. And it all starts by clicking the link in the description to get this free training inside of the action plan, starting with the getting started, going through step one, choosing the understanding and picking your niche. Step two, building your website. Again, that's the foundational components that we're working on right now here inside the system. And then moving on to step three. And the idea here is to watch this step three, step four, step five, step six, step seven, step eight, step 9, step 10, step 11. Of course, YouTube Traffic Authority. That's my favorite. That's my favorite platform, just like here on this channel. I found out that I enjoyed using YouTube as my main traffic source, but I also know that I need to set up all of these foundational steps to take things to the next level, like you see in step 12 and beyond. And you simply can go through each one of these steps to understand exactly what you need to do to build your $100 a day system. And you can get started for free by clicking the link in the description. And like I showed you, I am at the point now where I'm going to be setting up my Google Analytics. And inside of the training here, you can see all the steps that you have to go through. And you can see in this video that Philip's going to walk you through exactly why this is important and how to do it. Because as your site grows, you have to measure the traffic and data that comes in it. And using Google Analytics and the Search Console is the best way to do that. So follow along in this video to set all that up and get it all done correctly. And then when you're here inside of the action plan, take note, if you hit this little drop down menu, you can see here you can track your progress. You also get a blog post SEO checklist, a YouTube SEO checklist, as well as the SEO toolkit. Now, when you click on SEO toolkit, it's going to take you over to Taking Action Online SEO toolkit. You only get this SEO toolkit as a premium member of Taking Action Online. So don't worry about it right now, but know that it's here. Get started with the free steps and then understand that this toolkit is here for you. So when you click on the SEO toolkit, it's actually going to open up and allow you to open up the SEO toolkit, create an account, and set up your project so you can actually track your analytics, not only over in Google, but you can keep track of the project here inside of your own SEO toolkit. And when you open that up, you can see the demo projects here. But the idea here is you're going to add a project, and that product is going to be your site. You can see the example right here, www.mysite.com. I'm going to be setting up publisherreport.com inside of this tool as I continue to walk you through the $100 a day system setup using Taking Action Online and the free 12 steps. But know and understand that this type of tool is going to take you to the next level. So when you're doing the training, by accessing the training here, clicking the link in the description, go through all of these steps. And if you have any questions, ask as you get to each step. But understand, as you build upon each step and then you move down, you start getting traffic and you get to step 12 to taking things to the next level. The next level is understanding that you need the support and the help of the community, as well as the tools that are provided here. Like I said, the Tao Progress Tracker, the blog post checklist, the YouTube SEO checklist, the SEO toolkit. Because at the end of the day, in building out your $100 a day system to get to sales like you see here, you need to have these pieces in place, which is the content on your YouTube channel and your blog, to find that audience, your audience, which is the people on the internet, to come into your $100 a day system to start earning those affiliate commissions. So link in the description, click on that link, head over to the action plan, and let's get started. All right, so I think now you can see the power in the $100 a day system and the free training that you can get started with and walk through those steps. So go ahead, a link in the description and the pinned first comment. Check that out. And if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up and I'll talk to you later.